Dwell Roofing and Exteriors is the first choice for our agency owners because we help them retain happy, satisfied customers. In addition to our high-quality workmanship and outstanding customer service, our knowledge of the insurance coverage and claims process gives us the ability to assist our customers during the decision-making process of filing or not filing a claim. All of our project managers have extensive experience with insurance claims and are highly knowledgeable regarding what is or isn't covered by insurance. We assure that the property is thoroughly inspected and that they receive an accurate assessment of damages and cost. Every property inspection includes a detailed summary of findings, as well as answering any questions they may have while presenting solution-based options on restoring their property to pre-loss condition. Should the damage not exceed their deductible or not be caused by a covered peril, we can help set expectations as to why it may not be a good idea to go through their insurance, mitigating any unnecessary frustration the customer might have if insurance can't help pay for the damages. Dwell Roofing and Exteriors is a full-service general contractor specializing in roofing, siding, gutters, windows, and fencing. Excellent customer service and workmanship is our #1 priority, because there's no place like your home.